Hello, Panthers. This is Mr. Hernandez the Tech Teacher. Welcome to our third 9 weeks, quarter 3 Microsoft Excel assignment for Computer Lab. This assignment is for kinders all the way up to 5th grade. Kinders will get a slightly easier one, as well as 1st and 2nd grade. And then 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will all get a slightly more challenging one. Okay, let's go to my website to get started. Panthers, we're here on my website. We want to scroll down and we want to click on the orange square for Microsoft Office. Some of you more advanced users can just click on the address bar and type office.com. If that works for you, great. Otherwise, click on Microsoft Office. We want to go to the home page of Microsoft Office. Hopefully, we've been doing this for a while. It signs you in automatically. If it doesn't, click on that orange sign in and follow the username and password. Your username and password, don't forget, is the same as your Clever and your Canvas. Last name, first name at lcps.net, and your password. Okay? Friends, Panthers, once we're on the home page, you want to look for a green and white X that says favorite things. It's going to be on your home page here. Look for it, all right? Once you find it, I'll go ahead and click on it, all right? And it'll open up. If you can't seem to find it because you've been doing other work, please let me know and I'll help you dig for it. So once you click on it, it'll open up. Again, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will get a slightly more challenging version of this. My 2nd, 1st, and kinders will get something slightly more easier for you. Now here's the idea. This is called an Excel spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are great programs for being able to collect information, organize information, whether it's numbers, whether it's words, all kinds of things can get organized in a nice way in what you see here in a grid or in a table type style. It's called a format, right? So here it says this is a practice Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheets are great for collecting and charting data, numbers, and information. Finish these Excel spreadsheets showing how much you like subjects at school, favorite sports, favorite foods, and who will win the end of the year kickball game. So check this out, Panthers, all right? So here we have our first one. And don't forget, if you click in this box, you might have to click 2 times. Please don't forget to write your name. Okay, there's Mr. H. Again, a lot of these end up working similar to the PowerPoints and the Microsoft Word that we've been doing. Clicking in boxes, clicking on lines. Sometimes you have to click more than once to be able to select that blinking little line to start typing things, all right? So anyhow, now we have the first one, favorite school subject. So we have on the left-hand side, we have love, like, okay, dislike, and hate. And on the bottom here, we have all these subjects from reading all the way to tech. And the top center, we also have the title of this chart, which is favorite school subjects. So what do I got to do the first time? Well, I got to look at reading here, and then I've got to decide how much do I like, dislike, love, hate, all that kind of stuff with reading. All right. So what if I just like reading? I just like it. All right. I'm going to click on that square and I'm going to come up to my bucket here now. And this is what I'm going to do. Now, if you like the default, whatever color starts off with, you can just leave it at, and mine's yellow. But if you want to click on this arrow here, okay, we got all kinds of colors to fill it in. And so if my favorite color is green, for example, I'm going to click a green, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to click like. So what this means is that reading is a subject that I like. It's all right. I could also, and this is something what some of you might want to do instead of just clicking on one single box here, and these boxes are called cells. It's kind of weird, right? But this cell, if I click and drag down below, I could do the same thing with my colors, and now I can color in more. And so what this means is that I'm filling up my reading category all the way to the like. And so that's one way to do this as well. So I'm going to press undo here. You can just color in the one box up to where you liked it, or I'm going to do redo, or you can color all the way up to that rating. It's up to you. It's your choice, okay? For the purposes of the rest of this practice, I'm going to be filling in all the way up to where I like it. Math. What if I love math? I'm going to click on that cell and I'm going to drag my mouse and let go to the bottom. And I'm going to choose, I could either choose the same color or a different color. Let's try a different color for this one. I chose yellow, or this goldish color. And there's math. Let me do a couple more. What if I dislike science? Mr. H doesn't dislike science. I'm just giving you an example, okay? And I'm going to choose a different color. All right, and so you keep on going on and on, just like this, all the way to tech. Now, you have a lot more charts to fill in. Third, fourth, and fifth have a lot more. Favorite sports, hate all the way to love. From football all the way to skateboarding. And you can look at the little pictures to help you if you need help. Favorite foods. I'm not sure if my lower grades have this one, but favorite foods from pizza all the way to tacos. Okay? At the last one here, now I know my third, fourth, and fifth only have this one. End of year kickball. Who's going to win, the teachers or the fifth graders? If you think the teachers are going to win because they got Mr. H and a bunch of other awesome teachers that are going to just do a great job, click on the win square and color it in. If you think we're going to lose, oh no, color in the lose square. And if you think those fifth graders are going to beat us, color in the win square. It's just that easy. The last thing, you can double click on the cell to put in the square, put in the score. So for example, if you think the teachers are only going to score 2 points and the fifth graders are going to score like 10 points or something amazing like that. Sorry about that. If you think the fifth graders are going to score something amazing like 100 or 10 points, you can do this, okay? But I think I'm going to do undo, 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 undo. Keep pressing undo. Undo is my favorite button. I like to tell people in class, undo is your best friend in case you make a mistake. Backspace helps us too, but undo I think is even more powerful. So I think teachers are going to win. Fifth graders, I'm sorry, fifth graders. I've been in Alameda close to 10, 11 years, and no fifth graders have won. Sorry. But I think fifth teachers will win, and I think we will win by a modest, let's say 15 scores. And I'm going to give you some scores, fifth graders. I'm going to say you guys are going to have the 10 points, fifth graders. Not 100, 10. That's it, Panthers. This is an Excel spreadsheet. We're going to talk about our favorites, coloring them in. If you want to change things up, add your own pictures, you want to add in more text, definitely feel free. You have a lot of tools up on top that we've been using in our PowerPoints and our Microsoft Word. Make this your own, change it up, have fun with this. This is our Excel favorite things spreadsheet. Panthers, I can't wait to see you in Computer Lab. This is our third week of the third 9 weeks. Computer Lab, kinders all the way to fifth graders are going to do this in some way or shape or form. I'll see you in Computer Lab. Bye for now.